Hello, guys. A very good evening. Let us do March 18th current affairs. Which firm has approved Paytm Payment Bank Limited's Paytm United Payment Interface so that it enables payment mandates for initial public offering applications? The correct answer for the same is SEBI. So SEBI has done that, and it has approved the Paytm UPI handle for the effective Paytm mandates for initial public offerings application. Report titled as Support for Sustainable Development Goals Enabling the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Through Strategy 2030 has been released by which entity? The correct answer for the same is Asian Development Bank. It has released an ADB report in which it has said that after COVID-19, a new focus is required on the Sustainable Development Goals 2030 so that the countries can meet the targets. RBI has asked banks to implement image-based check truncation system in all branches by which dates this year? The correct answer for the same is September 30. September 30 is the date when this image-based check truncation system has to be applied in all the bank branches. This is for better customer service and faster settlement of checks. India's import of arms has decreased by what percent due to indigenization? This is according to Stockholm-based SIPRI report. The correct answer for the same is 33%. India has said that it will decrease its dependence on foreign imports. This was released by Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, on Monday. Who among the following has unveiled the cover of her second book, What's Up With Me? The correct answer for the same is out of the following options. So the correct answer is Tiska Chopra. Tiska Chopra has written this book. This book is an empathic guide for preteen girls and their parents. This book demystifies puberty and the angst it brings. It's fun and yet in a relatable way. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of which state who has released the ebook Dawn Under the Dome? The correct answer for the same is Maharashtra. He has released this book. This has depicted the history of Mumbai General Post Office building. Who among the following is to publish her memoir titled My Life in Full, Work, Family and Our Future? The correct answer is Indira Nooyi. Indira Nooyi is the CEO of PepsiCo India. This book will tell the world about how an admired business leader blends her work and family life together in the 21st century. Which of the following country is to host Asian Boxing Championship 2021 from May 21 to 31? The correct answer is India. India will host it in New Delhi. 32 countries participated, right? Centre has deployed a 3-member high-level central team to review medical care and public health arrangements in Kumbh Mela Haridwar. Who is the head of this team? The correct answer for the same is SK Singh. So SK Singh is the head of this team. Which of the following companies has recently become a part of the World Economic Forum's Global Lighthouse Network? The correct answer for the same is out of the following options. The correct answer is Renew Power. So Renew Power has become a part of the WEF Global Lighthouse Network, right? At the 63rd National Awards, who among the following was awarded the Album of the Year for her lockdown album Folklore? The correct answer for the same is Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift was given this award. Taylor Swift and Billie Eilish won the top prizes, while Beyonce became the most awarded female artist in the Grammy history with her 28th win. Which of the following companies has partnered with CRIF India, an RBI approved credit bureau, to introduce the Good Business Score? The correct answer for the same is Vayana Network. Vayana Network is a tech-enabled tool which helps the micro, small and medium enterprises to manage their business health effectively. Which of the following insurance entities has launched an individual life insurance saving plan, Bachat Plus? The correct answer for the same is out of the following options. The correct answer is Life Insurance Corporation. It has launched it under this, the participating individual non-linked participating this is a non-linked participating individual life insurance saving plan. So the applicants may pay the premium in lump sum or may avail the 5-year limited premium paying option. Which of the following has gone live with the UPI Help or Bheem UPI, which is a grievance redressal mechanism? The correct answer is National Payment Corporation of India. This will help the users for raising complaints against transactions that has not been processed or the money that has not reached the beneficiary, or raise complaints against merchant transactions. Which motor company has joined hands with IIT's Delhi Center of Automotive Research and Tribology in the field of electric and autonomous vehicles? The correct answer for the same is MG. So MG has partnered with this CART, Center for Automotive Research and Tribology, for research in the field of electronic autonomous vehicles. According to the data presented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers, 4 states have more than half of the net cultivated farmlands under micro irrigation in India. Which of the following state is not one of them? The correct answer is Kerala. So Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra have more than half of the net cultivated farmlands under micro irrigation, right? Atal Innovation Mission has partnered with which company to support proactively the mission's innovation and entrepreneurship initiative across the country so that it can improve and change the healthcare innovations and outcomes? The correct answer for the same is, I guess, Aster DM Healthcare. So Aster DM Healthcare has partnered with the Atal Innovation Mission. Which state or UT has approved the proposal of Housing and Urban Development Department so that interest-free loan up to rupees 2 lakh can be provided to the economically weaker section beneficiaries under beneficiary-led construction component of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban? The correct answer for the same is Jammu and Kashmir. So under this 2 lakh interest-free loan for PMAYU beneficiaries will be provided. These beneficiaries have to be urban, homeless, economically and weaker section. Who among the following is the author of the book named as India's Power Elite, Caste, and Cultural Revolution? Caste, Class and Cultural Revolution. This book will be released by Penguin Random House India. The correct answer for the same is Sanjay Baru. Sanjay Baru will release this book, and this book will unveil the emerging dynamics of the power elites in the contemporary India. His last book was The Accidental Prime Minister, which was also made into a movie. Who among the following is the co-author of the book titled Gandhi in Bombay? The correct answer for the same is Usha Thakkar. So Usha Thakkar has written this book. This deals with Gandhi's activities in Bombay. He participated in various events, like in 1999, his first nationwide protest against the Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act. Thank you very much for joining today. I shall see you tomorrow with Smart Krida Current Affairs in English.